episode for a higher juicy news. Mema ubibia akwaba. I had the latest hot nkwa enamede bremo. Enuti se unya subscribe to channel dia. Bomodian se obe subscribe. No be an se obe click the subscribe button no. Na wabele notification no. We ansa video fufuru bi ebe upload no. When the first person I want sa ebe kan sa video. Afi we are da wa like video no. Give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo fufuru so na we bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanum afi yembura ye ensemo abeto yepno so Hopeson Adorye and Ken Ofori Atta hu ya OSP Office of the Special Prosecutor were declared wanted no Hopeson edi ensem bibria tudwa fa Ken Ofori Atta ho ententemara yenko Hopeson akachi na yenkuti ensemo Hopeson Adorye edi tudwa moma yentie ni nsem no
na nearby no so obu nyimu anko ba kwa peda de tebi mbe woye former appointee eni ade anke be ya kawadutum that the babe de do abonte wo mu so hwe omu a ana obo say yes e de nsem fon de yetete wono ba ya wa ba betena omamu no me se Ghana ha say obi le ka asem jam wo so obi a wo hye white bia no every day wo hye white bia so say di ba no
really
timu sum si atade na hye do
Jesus Christ. That's a very symbolic of Ken Ofori Atta. What do you make of all the appearance of much to do with holy Dao and soft-spoken voice?
Yeah, quotations is budget. Yeah, can you do baby? We are reading quotation. Need deny azan. Asemi wrong. Edika. Na we emre ho ye ninka so. It is say Nyankopon ye wadom. No more tibia fasati bia no boa manfo what does it can you be a wo kodo ho oh my brother Kwaba oh ya mombaye no abombaye wonene kasa no hwe anim no osresre oh bibia beka bia wo mate o free ofa eno no get away so ne de no wo hwe kwanya ofa so edigugu nkrofo band obi be kono ho ne na kokasa oh bibia nsi adechen ya ne aprosu bank ene kai ka ho ebre na so for accountability ne uye nyina no ebre so that you see me bana me brother
yamba
me am name okasem bi I completely disagree
so
why now na go be tamben
that's right
tamben ebre na anie enana researcher ya wo wa humaiso na wo kase frustrations a wo kom e ma no ba bonten be kasa that day ni press conference no I wept me hwe no na me hwe ni dimi na kwan ofa so kasa na bisu ye look
a special prosecutor
me na me ka che
wow
identity na sia so sa ni ma we so ebre na so John Dramani Mahama Elba no was say I will make sure every penny may recover. Eti yantu abano krado no say me ba operation recover or loot. E sabo ye kika ika hu nyina no. Eye loot no. Look, ofa National Cathedral na mo bosu yi. Ya say e yan krankre e na ba be yentoboa. That time ka say ma sorry. Oh, na ye frefre, me afre we one on for $10,000. We yama table 10, table back will be at 10,000. Eti wo fa we fa na fufu bi na mu fa we ni na kai ka ho. No mo ti mama obrasi 100,000 no mo de ko. Ni na echi no. Afa de ni ekoku ya ne say budget mu.
Sure.
Expenditure. Ya yusu be $58 million. Hey, Kwaku $58 million. Ya gina yo kroma say ebe ye issue of parliament and ye can no buy now what you to say you now who be bisa parliament ana because o budget out the buy no there's no item chere say ye be use Ghana sika 58 million ye so mu a and ye to papa so ya media hwe e dey ntina ma tiamido what resign as special prosecutor. He wanted to prosecute. What say? Now one prosecute two or more free more we na. E get then how they buy so. Frustrations are. Look at the description or the man Akufo Addo, the mother serpent of corruption.
Jesus.
Because or preventing from prosecuting.
Yeah.
The same thing is let us have some kind of sympathy, empathy, whatever for Kise Agyapong.
Yeah.
You have no idea.
Papa.
Every ground is a petition. The president forwarded the chief justice. Papa fa pen paper on your trouble for no. Hey, assembly of Kabia would yard of a choir as I do in our grand. And so be in ya twatching. Ada or Yenajuma. Obi said, young farmer Rapanzo. Now, Minia, Okas young farmer Rapanzo. And run at this special prosecutor by no, won't you? Won't you say I'm running in the buy? What do you want me a gazette? He said, I will go a special prosecutor. I am right, and I don't know about what do you do? Look, this is the time. President Mahama said, look, do your work. But
could Kise Agyapong also file charges whilst Ofori Atta was at the office? No, bet me, sir.
I don't go to be saying.
Child in a 1 year.
Oh, make a child say, oh, Bessu or TV is one. Research I can say, I'm going to more today.
Then you will cry.
So, General, what Bessu today? And just say,
no, young
people was here, Mauro means I do a grano. I say, I try me. Eti me pusha ma yoko any ade me na wante
so na frustration and what name
frustration na what day eti no me I support him and you see one team in charge no bra one na no asem
good
na bra ni entwetwe nkomo na wo lawyer tro say me client no what took coin indefinitely nonsense.
Hey, is it also
nonsense?
We took one indefinitely.
We hold position in Ghana. What na na twe yesi Kenya so. Hwe charges abu boss nyina. Parliament no mo massive society organization. Obi as SM e bon mayenye. Look, can Ofori Atta dey enu ba bia o. Sa charges 5.
Charges 5.
Oh, me say eye kete. Trade fair. Wabu ya so mo ton. Alantamante was the minister. What yes. The agreement to the
minister?
What go through now? Was David? I deal with David. Ghana. Yeah.
I quite remember. So what can say?
Near time, no more. They for that office. No more sign.
No, I don't think so.
I am telling you this.
Trade fair.
For that office, no more sign. No. And as said, trade minister and the sign agreement. You know, what do you me say? I can tell you on authority. Say, Alantamante walk to president. What's it, president? This agreement, moi, and to mean sign. What catch what to do for? Still, they went ahead and signed.
I know the Amentia says it's a breaking news to me tonight.
Check. Every NAPO office. Okonapo most of the contracts na ponko can Ofori Atta office I don't sign no me say odo de na you know eye dosopo o say charges a gu ho twen no he has no idea it is sabi mo we nyina wo hwa look ne kwan so ado no wo ba ka tell me say wo client two kwan indefinitely
yeah
Kwaku wo na table for indefinitely,
yeah, it's quite serious though.
Just say, say phone. Let us say, oh my Ghana, and then we sit down as a nation. Ghana for you, dear boy. What you want Musu, and then go 4 years ago. Yes, say, young Concord Kishumuna say, as some no bona, young Jessica Suswa. Musa, hey, I don't know who you say. Hey,
and no, your former party MPP for. Cry foul and some more cry pain about
maybe a movement for change. Metie aye nanabi. What no one can sacrifice. Exactly. Nanabi. More chairman for a can say buffer stop. Buffer stop check boy chairman what can somebody a movie koye say I spy
exactly yes recently
Musa cheap at the common school for one can say the show ye be so yeah be so the show
hey then
what then abi
show no
me see be so ye so we are adobogun MPP General Secretary Justin Godia why ye be so Moti wa bufi sa national you can say service for ngwade na ba. Mo nyina mo de ba. Na me say one say baby wo group.
Yeah.
JDM advocacy group.
Exactly.
Awurade be jiro.
It is the oba kan wo hina ya. Mo ye ho adwuma pa o.
Ah, abani ye ho adwuma. Abani ye ho adwuma. Na ne ba no so obunyi mu anko ba kwa peda de ejebi. Mbe wo ye former appointee eni ade anke be ya kawadutum. That the brother they do about it. Or Muso Fiomo, I don't know who say yes. I didn't send phone the attitude one.
But yeah,
what about Betina or Memo? No, Messek Ghana has a say. Obi the cats and Jamie was so pure or white Tibiano. Every day was white through Sadibano.
Really?
Timu Sumsianta Genation.
Jesus Christ.
That's
a very symbolic of Ofori Atta. What do you make of all the appearance of much to do with holy Dao and soft-spoken voice.
Yeah, but quotations is but can you do baby? We are reading quotation. Need deny Azan. Azan. Now, Obi say on Tiasie. I didn't know more reading fee. Hey, Ghana for.
But I know so special prosecutor disassociating. So yeah.
No. Where? One more fighting corruption in this country.
Yeah. Special
prosecutor one. CID one.
Yeah.
Shraj one. Yoko one.
Yeah.
NIB one. National Security one. And all these agencies, you know, who say there is the need to do this, you know.
They don't have to explain to anybody.
You don't need warrant to go. I am telling you this.
But almost
visa any security analyst. Say almost decide this is sad way. Ya say we need to go and search, with or without warrant.
Yeah.
And the state agency, what would do this? They are sure Monsano.
Yeah.
And I know you're good to say at times, you know, court warrant. If you are one who need warrant to grab, you can go there
at the exigency of the situation.
Yes, you can go there. What I say?
Yeah.
That is here. I say, microphobia packet, cocaine, ashe baby, addiction. Or more de barbe
an explosive.
Sabre ya can you?
Yeah.
Tambe na kwaji warrant. Tambe. So you have that capacity.
Yeah.
You have that authorization from the law, sir. And what Omaimu has said to go in and search, read the place. What to me abo Omainu Hubai. Obisha baby, abo mo prani bibi. You can get there with or without warrant. It will be in some now more to be a sumono. Multi parliament in a special interior minister should come and brief us why they raided the place. It's nonsense.
Should the interior minister go and explain this? Because the house is also
semantics.
The house is bigger because they can summon the minister.
Yes, semantics. It does. It's neither here nor there. Omokwa Chief Victor Sarome, I was sorry them. Obia konyanko ponfie. Or Kwaku Annan,
Director of Research Kofi Ejire.
Now, a police force with AK-47. A bomb sorry them up China good handcuff at the local.
And this was in Akufo administration, right?
What you want to more kikakika Sansom we are Ayana Mentemasi. Look, administration behind how our person handle issue.
Yeah.
Me, I support the rate 2,000, 3,000, 10,000%. Aya entity okro. Amount for the sikashi share politics money and the other. Aya yente. I don't know because you show na the anom beka. I don't want beka.
Politank. Hey. Me
say. What dey jam?
Politank.
What dey jam botre?
Na what e ba kuno no politank yes o muko bu politank ni wie ska no. E no mo so o muko wie na ye che o mo so ma.
Dan say ya operations bi am kokoye ya $100 ne gold bebre akire o mo say ye fake no. Look. Sikana na wo no. Enkrofo kokko wie sika no. Ana o mo de sa fake ni kokko gu mu. We know the story. And they are tracing those people by all means on
yeah, hold it there. I'm interested in that story. Kofi, try to make a sense of the NPP crying so badly. Say, a few cried or more try some best someone. A Minister of Interior, no, a friend saying, a minister so Omra before the August House to explain some reasons behind the raid. Now, is the NPP trying to recall the same incidents you earlier quoted? Hopeson is also quoting with regards to the arrest of Victor Solomon in the House of the Lord. What do you, the contrast of this issue, where do we decipher?
You see, some questions to be over another some issues you are impacted on your Akuma Ombwa. Personally, between NPP and DC, that Mahama of Mempe. Military, Woboko, Obinity, Wobity, to Dynamama. Okay. It doesn't matter what about per person, however, to be forgotten, one and one Sunday, Japan and Uncle for the 2020 parliamentary proceedings for Korea, which are fight for which. So there's no one and more than one brother. Okay. Some questions to you are why you answer that. I bet they didn't answer. Until these days, who said here, this hotel, a very Minister Umbra, a better defense Umbra, a long run of in cycles. On quick baby, a very waste of time. But rather, what I believe going forward, as a country we should do in the day, let's try our best possible to do things the right way. Mama, you use power to destroy, but rather you should use power to unite. It doesn't matter whatever political party is in place. Because the body of Kwadoha, next administration so bad to be. It ask for inviting this person and that person. So if I not if you do if I not only do the whole raid no. When you invite Nanga say, want to need matter. And then I believe whatever thing that they want to do, they will be able to tell. Great. This very matter. Yeah.
Great. Yeah, yes, because of Hopeson, we are back to that case, Bill. But look at it from the spectacles. It's like history repeating itself. In the case of Salo Minime, the rest, that same Rambo star. So if history is repeating itself, are we beginning seeing that something was wrong earlier, and that same wrong writing is repeating itself in the same book? Here, Special Prosecutor now says, Yaton Craftfredom now otoho onkasa nemum lawyers na say akwano so I na indefinite the word that's indefinite. Should the raid go like this, or we should still continue to engage him in the very correspondence between first our lawyers and then to what avail?
Oh, as I said earlier, on one kasa he has to come out to answer questions. Okay. Yes, I stated categorically, say on one he should avail himself to answer questions, because if you have pretended over a ministry, and there are questions to be answered, you have to answer those questions. That was my point from the beginning. Said since long time ago, okay, I was so invited to now answer a lot of questions, because we also clearly, even MPs stood up against the minister at that time.
About 99.
Yes. So it should have been done long time, on free or mind. So that was my issue, because he was in the country that long time. Okay, was all but we can understand, say, frustration in us for any issues. But issues with raiding of the house and other things, what is not right today will not be right tomorrow. But 1,000 years, what is wrong is wrong. So if something is done and you do not like it, something will be done to you today and you don't like it, don't do it to somebody. So if the procedure is not right today, it will not be right tomorrow. So if it was done during Kufuor's era and it was wrong, if it is done during John Mahama's era, it is wrong.
Do you agree, sir, Special Prosecutor at disassociated and a precipitated a press conference, I'm not responsible for this raid, and then he again suggests that it was staged?
No, as Honorable Hopeson said, no, there are different agencies. They can do the raid. Exactly. So if he says he's not the one responsible, we can find out who authorize those guys to do the raid. So because there are different agencies that can use the national security to operate, as he mentioned, Yoko and the others. So for the special prosecutor to dissociate himself from it, from where he said he feels he's not the person that ordered that raid, but for him to also say he's staged is something I don't understand, because who say no, yeah. So how do you know he's staged? Because there are other state agencies that could perform a similar role. So you just state clearly, I didn't do so, but you cannot say it's staged or not staged, because at the end of the day, other agencies could have done it.
Good. Try to hazard a guess, and the guess is why, questioning it, why Ken Ofori Atta is refusing to appear?
For the refusal to appear, it's best known to him and his God. But the right thing must be done. He has to appear and answer questions. It's as simple as that. Oh,
it's something terribly more than this.
So that is my point, that we waited for him to leave. Now, some answer questions. You should have just held him for him to answer questions long time ago. You don't wait for him to lead up and this car.
Hearing from Grapevine say, Okra, the chief of staff, Julius Debra.
He has not come out to accept or deny, so we cannot say whether it is true or not, because from the official outfit, no, and say BBC say whether any cry and any cry, because I think some people or my later we found out saying any cry. At the end of the day, no, we will not be able to tell whether it's true or not until the chief of staff speaks.
Yeah. What do you make of sad discrepancies when disjointed?
Okra chief of staff will invite you for an interrogation.
Okay.
And I'm one. Or invite you. Nipa or invite you OSP. So look, there are a lot of things. As I say, state security agencies, or Muye, normal recovery scam.
Yeah.
May I say you a what do you mean? It will be a lesson to current ministers. But your romance, it's hard your manuma we know. Hey, what does
romance because
what I don't know, your most suggesting. Oh, yeah, she got a say. What you want to say? Anna media against. One will see we against in a natum.
But I don't believe it. I did happen in the past.
We need to do it for the city ministers to know. Say, yeah, and yeah. So now, you can one say a bass, Sadio with the word before. I don't know, you can't be can ye. Say, the suspect, say, Sadio way no aye. Ye young, what say, me na me yanko pomba. Menkwana be yanko pomba. Also, but to fine. Me nimtama meba, ebia temu that time and submit baba. Near to honum near to source and some phone whistle. Near to also. Country bank, South Korea. The sitting president
was arrested.
Sitting president do. The tia obeko J. Motitia no say there. Motitia said yen. Look. Wo kwakwaje hweka Ken Ofori Atta amana mene Ghana. E kana wo bo e de ma ye nyina no. That will benefit.
Good.
What ya fund the bank? Oh, bank,
data bank,
commission.
And enterprise insurance is a guarantee. The quantum of
from
this.
From Kwame Nkrumah Suba, ABC, you can't say, Jáil 4 pesos.
Yeah.
Now 9 billion. You can't hear it. Now the size of the economy, 16 billion. Professor Mesne Don Mahama Betuaso, a Koyako could do 122 billion. Yes, and TB da. Hey, yet can I go do we? A job and Abiso more. What did do 700 and something billion? Adding 700 and something billion. Coco Shani and the data bank, Enyaye. Nipa bakofo wonkwa na nyankopɔ bɔ ye funuma a wo chefa didi aden na ye ka hwɛ meka asɛm meka no fia meka no platform ahodo bebre so sɛ sika de mu benya o na sumdwa abudi bedi sika na ye gyina ye wo krom ha
I heard you
anya na start no
I heard you loud and
clear. I don't know starting.
As some gram will be.
We are all here. Yeah, Babbe support to a bind. Say, for prosecute to Omo, you want to for jail them. What more properties? Confiscate them. Yeah, turn for more, my Ghana. Et you has said, now so your property. I say, hey, there be you, me botre. Mammy, ye be biao. Yeah. Mammy, conquer your dream. Na ochena mema ene meyire na asem kunu ene mabusia fo ababe den ababe disaya o so on dey no e say obutwe ye pa kogu we dey asem dim say beto aso ye tam ne yaso na last na ye kan IGP insensem yi
ono so da so te ho
na ye tam no ama ye kwan na to be frank with you say wo hwe ne ekoso our Ghana Police Service.
Yeah.
Media
as a security man, yeah.
Media
I don't know your assessment now.
Maka, actually, banya or tisui or mutia, or more masam. Look, Fourth Republic.
Yeah.
JJ running to buy ya. Ni IGP umwa, I'm so ne Namfuri ni wie, and I'm what.
Papa.
Jeku for buy, Namfuri tranho. One tranho. Also, the IGP buy ya. Okoye Professor Mese by IGP traho. Pantraho.
Omunya akoye.
Do Mahama baye IGP aba.
Yeah.
Do Mahama free so. Akufo Addo baye ni do Mahama IGP traho. Mama na traho. Oba no koye. Enti ade ntra mu de ma yesi. Look. The issue of the IGP. Amount for raising. And the crowd there is alleged say what this is 62 years.
What was that, you know?
Yes, what this is
discrepancies of the age, you know.
I know more can say 14 July. The year of the call police 14 July 1970.
Yeah.
That's a mean to mean IGP pennies.
Maybe.
Maybe 1969.
Okay.
So it cannot be possible.
Maybe.
It's one of them. Sir,
to mean Channel Debbie.
14 July 1970. Is it Benada? Kwabena. IGP so the question.
Hey, what's going on here?
No, almost say I young Casano. I 14 July 1963. We check 14 July 1963. Kwesiada.
And say Kwabena Agyarko so.
I didn't answer me. I didn't answer me.
I do.
What can I say? I said Dr. Keke Mafo so. Onukra ni age no na just 1 year a year.
Yeah.
That's so no. Obu hu ye na no. O ma no procedure on leave. Dom level.
Yeah.
The age. Na 1 year difference. What's it and you say Anna mistake na buy no am say Kofi any ade. Now who share the way ya a police phone penny for obi aka ne nsa budubo. Said the last na me catch no.
Yeah.
Say no. I sit down and watch attitude. Because obi am person obeka wan. Na me ma aban so atiase say the Ghana Police Service voted massively for you because obodim say aban foforo ba IGP foforo ba.
Yeah.
Hwe ada president be mention a new IGP no. Who police for ahonkeka okroma. There's only ngwama o na ngwama sa wo he.
Oh ai
Sunday
domestic policing.
Police ni bi gina my wife for La Paz no kwa sorry. I don't say the number plate no. I don't say wako o mo say afi na foforo be.
Eba.
Hey, there we my wife at them.
Oh.
I know a friend na me so on phone no man. O so on fa man. O ne me nkasa. Adam so on fan to speaker. Adam says o ne me ankasa. Me ameba o mba bitwa no photo. Me de no be copies.
That's right.
Answer. Oh, we are monitors from Dompreh's office.
Hey, straight up.
Me na me catch you. Adam said this is nonsensical. What's the MTT before Obia affording the arm?
Obia see them.
Because ya creative para a year.
Para police group.
Ye free IGP office. Omonka IGP mpo. Dompreh monitors.
And yeah, even the organization.
Me na me catch you. And we are here watching this. Hey, President John Dramani Mahama.
Oui.
President.
So president?
President. The year cano. Tie. The year cano. Tie. Obia di hodumwa. Obeti maka say you don't have prerogative. Say ene what you sue IG people for. Obia di kromo obeti macha you. Constitution no emma okwan. Appointment bia in this country is for you. Yeah. You are the commander-in-chief of Ghana Armed Forces. Security agencies in Ghana, Echewase. Then yeah, what the problem be bro? What na hono maje? Before say, the new National Security Coordinator. What di nania say? One promote no.
Razak Osman.
Yet to abawie ya. This winning ya pa. Ni o manu promotion buy.
And interior minister so the bodyguard.
Yes.
Same.
Young guys, junior officers. Etimaba be science senior officers. Na mote ho. Hey, mama, the government of the day, keka ho.
Keka ho. Yeah, fankanisha fridge.
What's a move? You find the FN Provident Fund.
Sure.
Omo mo call UN mission ne EU ni ne kai ga hunyina no. Obi aba ye te no $1,700.
Isika pao.
Fund na da ho be 35 years.
Lots of money.
IGP bia du ho de ne nsakan ye. Dampare edini sa bom. Koko hwe fund ni aka.
That's right.
What him say aban twa sika bi edima police security agencies no. Mo fanye wo mo program mo frɛ no wasa. Afenyo so ana ejamu di agimoni.
Yeah.
Bisa say sika no hi. Welfare fund. Police ni bia minimum 300 cedis. Obo wa police for over 57,000 every month.
Yeah.
Wo mo anya kra no be 17 million Ghana cedis every month. Sika no hi. Check. Papa mo change na nyasa mo change digago. Ati say mo investigating.
Some investigation, yeah, you can see an infant carnation, you met to us on Monday, fully. Mamenka Messi was all MPP leaders are Jáil candidates. Teddy, I'll say, Hopeson Adorye, your hatred for some NPP members is beyond ordinary. And mark my words, God, the omnipotent will judge you fairly. Okay. Honestly, Simon Dr. alias MP for Baglo. Also, Buem Oti region. Even a Peswa would not remain unaccountable. JM Akufo Addo and Bawumia government was deadly voyage. We have escaped. And we have escaped them. Can I get my brother Hopeson number, my friend?
Fabano.
Okay, yeah, remember later. If the witches flout, they lay down rules and regulations, they may be honored there. They will be honored. There too many witches in our political landscape, thereby creating justification, conundrum by bringing Ghana to a standstill. Whether the opposition view this event as being traumatized or witch hunting, the law must take its course. The atrocities committed by him be upon his head. Wicked PK and all the buyer.
Before you sign off,
yeah,
Sadio we ma and deter any security agency.
Yeah,
where you need to get there.
Yeah,
baby, I saw this soldiers baby, I said police ma look, we are serious in this country. Mamu romance any corruption that activity biao. Jáil ever be pacho and our mommy and unikomo. Go and then arrest them. Search them.
Go there and arrest them. Meaning say grant to a henifoni na so mo kwada sabri na Ghana etimi nya ne tam papa bi frama ye adwuma ne.
Yo iti for winning and some ye Hopeson Adorye Ediatuo nyina ye Kennedy Ofori Atta as say a office of the special prosecutor omo declare wanted akoye and sembebre. So don't subscribe to channel area bomodi say over subscribe na wa like video don't give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na we be hwe na wo hu and somewhere ekoso e wo Ghana memoa sanse had the latest hot nkwa Eramede bremo so betimi atchere wadwen afaye some we nyina ho e wo comment box mu mobati minkabiu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.